Hey traders, how you doing? This is Dr. Greg McLeod here from the Elite Traders University. And there are many other strategies, support and resistance strategies out there. In fact, support and resistance is the basics of technical analysis. Buying low and selling high, having a floor and having a ceiling. Buying near the floor is that's where you find a low risk trading opportunity. And when you take profit, taking profit at the ceiling where price reaches that means that price won't go any further. It's a great place to take profit. And it could be a good place to sell first in the market or go short and then buy back lower and making a profit that way if you're a bear, right? Bulls hit the price up with their horns, bears smack down with their paws. And so finding using supply and demand is a powerful strategy that has a great visual representation of a trade. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what I mean, okay? And let's go ahead and do this, okay? So I'm just going to share this, okay? So here we go. So this is a dollar yen trade or long dollar yen, and this is a supply and demand zone indicator for MT4. And what it does, we have the green support area, and that is our demand zone is green. Our supply zone is red, but we also have some intermediate zones that are labeled weak resistance or weak support. And we can see that after price came down, I'm using ashi candles because I like keeping things simple. I like colors and shapes to keep things very simple and very clear, right? And so I'm just showing you this sample trade here, a very small account, and I'm just showing you how we rallied up to a supply zone which was red, and price started to come down and came down through our moving average, our color changing moving average. It hit this verified, very strong zone that was drawn automatically. And then price started to move sideways through it, long wicks through it, but couldn't penetrate it. It's almost like a solid wall, like a very powerful like concrete wall, but it's more like a mattress, right? And so it's jumping and jumping, trying to push down, push down. It can't push down, can't get below it. And so I went long. I bought multiple contracts bouncing off this area. Okay, and I'm looking for price to move from this support area up to this resistance area. In fact, I have my take profit up in here, right? I have some take profits right there, and so that way, when price bounces, my risk is my risk is well defined. I can place my stop just below the demand zone. So I have a pretty good risk reward, well defined. And so I'm looking for as if this solid floor holds, all I have to do is sit back and relax and just let price move up toward this red area, right? So it's very clear. My price target's there. We have our predefined risk reward. I also threw some trend lines. These are Tom DeMark trend lines, and they automatically draw wedges and things like that. And I think when we break this trend line, we'll probably break through this as weak support, which means we didn't see it. How it actually calculates weak support is just looking at how many touches in the previous area here. So we can see that if you zoom out, we can see we have this untested support, one tap, and we have some support there, weak support here, but we're stair stepping. We're making higher highs and higher lows. So our trend bias is up, right? Even we broke the trend line, but now we've kind of got this, so I like using trend line analysis combined with our supply and demand zones, and where it makes sense, hey, when we get a bounce, that's going to confirm the trend and also give us some good low risk opportunities in the direction of the trend. So that's how we use supply and demand zones. If you have any questions, go ahead and you can pop them in below in the description area. And I'd like to invite you. We have other courses and other support materials in our school community. Or if you want to set up a breakthrough strategy call with me to see how I can help you, like I've helped hundreds of other people in my 30-year career as a trader and Wall Street currency analyst at one of the world's largest Forex broker dealers in the world. And my mission is to help traders become professional traders within 90 days, to pass prop challenges, to use OPM, other people's money, meaning other companies, other prop firms, and so they can trade six-figure accounts. So you can trade six-figure accounts to your dreams, okay? So if this is of interest to you, go ahead and book a free breakthrough strategy call, and I can tell you how that looks like and see if I can help you and see if we're a good fit for each other, okay? So this is Dr. Gregory McLeod signing out. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace and pips. Okay.